Today we are discussing about forest resources. Meaning of forest. A large area of land covered with trees and undergrowth is called forest. They constitute one of the natural resources in India. It consists of either natural or plant vegetation. Importance of forest. They provide a large variety of woods which are used as fuel, timber and industrial raw material. They provide fodder for livestock, employment opportunities for the people. They preserve physical features, check soil erosion, control floods and regulate flow of rivers. They also prevent desertification, helps to improve soil fertility, make the climate equable and help to maintain ecological balance. They provide shelter to wildlife. Based on these 6 types of forest in India, they are: in India, types of forest depends on climate, soil and relief. The various types of forest are the tropical evergreen, the tropical deciduous, scrub forests and grassland, desert vegetation, mountain forest, mangrove forest. Tropical evergreen forest, found in areas of heavy rainfall when annual rainfall exceeds more than 250 centimeters. Mainly found on the western slopes of Western Ghats and hills of north and eastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Manipur and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Here you can see the uses of forest. These forests are dense and trees grow to a great height. The trees and plants do not shed their leaves during the year at the same time, hence they are evergreen. Examples of important trees are Imbani, rosewood, mahogany, gurjan and champa. Here see examples of pictures. Tropical deciduous forest, found in areas with annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeters. They cover the eastern slopes of Western Ghats including Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Foothills of the Himalayas, parts of Orissa and West Bengal. The trees in this forest shed their leaves during springs and early summer. Hence they are also known as monsoon forest. For example, sal tree, neem tree, tamarind tree and sandwood tree. Scrub forest and grassland forest, found in areas having 60 to 100 centimeters of rainfall. The scrub with short coarse grass, thorny trees and bushes are found scattered in Kutch and the fingers of the third desert. Grassland are mainly found in eastern Rajasthan, Punjab, parts of West Ghats and the Karmandam Hills. Desert vegetation forest, found increases with annual rainfall of 10 to 50 centimeters. They constitute the third desert including parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Deccan. On account of scanty rainfall, vegetation consists of scattered trees and thorny bushes. For example, Khairan, Kolko, Bubble. Mountain forest, the trees and plants which grow in the slopes of mountains are called mountain forests. Plants and trees vary with increasing altitude. In India, they occur in the Himalayas and to an extent in the Nilgiri Hills. The important trees are chestnut, ash, beech, pine, whitenut, and etc. For example, pine, fir, deodar. Mangrove forest found in wet marshy areas, in river dells and along the sea coast washed by tides. They are mainly found in the deltas of rivers on the eastern coast and in pockets in the western coast of India. The tree trunks are supported by a number of silt-like roots which are submerged underwater. Important trees are Rhizophyra, cans, screw pines, plums, sundari, etc. Thank you.